You know manifesting works. You've experienced it in your own life. You've manifested things in ways that can't be explained with logic. So why isn't it consistent? Why do you still find yourself questioning whether it's real? And if you truly create your own reality, why isn't your life exactly the way you want it to be? Because most people are missing two things. First is the science. When you understand how reality is created at the quantum level, you realize manifesting isn't mystical, it's quantum physics. Over 100 years of quantum science shows that reality unfolds in response to your energy. Once you understand this, you stop questioning whether it's real. But that's only the foundation. The real challenge is living in the energy of your chosen reality while your current life is telling a completely different story. So the second piece is a system that helps you maintain alignment regardless of what's happening around you. And that's why we created the Powerful Manifestor. Inside the training, you'll learn the science behind how reality responds to your energy. You'll then define the life you truly want to live and follow a simple system that helps you consistently embody that reality. You'll feel grounded, confident, deeply satisfied, and in love with your life because you know reality responds to you, because you know your life gets to be exactly what you choose it to be. And from there, manifesting simply becomes your way of life.